So now we're going to talk about the equal sets. When can I say that two sets are equal? Two sets are equal if they have the same elements, exactly the same elements. Like here, set X has the elements O, E, and D. Set Y has the elements E, O, and D. They are not in the same order, it's okay. We said that the order is not important as long as you don't repeat. So as you can see here, we have the same three letters in each set. So we say that the two sets are equal. Set X equal to set Y. Why? The set M here has 0, 1, 2, 3 as an elements, while the set N has 0, 1, 2, 4. So they are not exactly the same, right? So set M doesn't equal set N. And we have examples to apply in this rule here, like this question, put right or wrong. The set 2, 5, and 1 is equal to the set of the digits of the number 2115. Okay, first you should write this set. The set on the right, you have to write it in listing method. Okay, do you remember how? We first put braces, then we list down each digit used in this number without repetition. And the order is not important. So which digit have we used to write the number? Yes, 2, 1, and 5. Don't repeat the 1. So as you can see here, we have here 2, 1, 5, and the first set 2, 5, 1. So these two sets are equal. So he's saying that the set 5, 7, and 4 is equal to the set of the digits of the number 7547. Again, first we list down the digits of this number. So this set is set of 7, 5, and 4. Don't repeat the 7, which is the same as the first set. So these two sets are equal, yes. Now the last one, we have set of 2, 4, 6, 8, which he says that it's equal to the set of even numbers less than 10. Okay, so what is the smallest even number again? Most of you would say 2, but actually it's 0. You always forget the 0, remember this. So it's 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So obviously these two sets are not equal. Another example about equal sets. Bye-bye. So we have set of 2, 3, and 4 is equal to x and 4 and 2, which means the elements in the first is the same as the elements in the second set. So what's the value of x? What should be x? So the two sets can be equal. So if you don't want to get confused, cross the repeated elements in the two sets. So I can take out 4 with 4. Also you have 2 and 2. So what do we have left? We have that 3 is equal to x. X must be equal to 3, so the two sets can be equal. We cannot put any other number than 3 because the two sets are equal. Again, I have in the first set 5, 2, and x. The second set, y, 6, and 2. If you don't want to get confused, you can cross the repeated elements like 2 and 2. Now we don't have any more repeated elements, but I cannot repeat in the same set. So x cannot be equal to 5 because it has 5 with it in the same set. So actually x is equal to the 6, which is in the opposite set. The same, y cannot be equal to 6 because we have 6 in the same set and we don't repeat. So y is equal to the 5 in front of it. Now this is a very important question and you have to be careful. How many elements can you see in the first set? Well, most of the students say they can see 3 elements, the 6 and the x and the 1, but this is not right. Look at the comma, so you will know how many elements you have. The comma is separating between the elements, right? So I have 2 elements only. The first is 6 and the second is x minus 1. All of this is one element. It's called x minus 1. The second set is 3 and 6, okay? So here we have 2 elements and here we have 2 elements and the 6 is repeated, so we can cross it out. What do we have left now? In the first set, we have the element x minus 1, and it's equal to 3. So x minus 1 equals 3. Okay, so now I want to find the value of x. Let's think of x as if it's dots, like a missing number question. Dots and minus, change it into plus. So yes, the answer is 4. So the value of x here is 4.